Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Again I won't waste much time. Directly I will start solving this problem. Last in last video I have explained what are the steps to be considered when we see this type of problems. So I won't explain it again. We'll start solving directly. Okay. A B C A dash B C A B dash A dash A dash C. So what is the first step? Number it. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 and 19. No problem. If it is 19, first of all I will start dividing in terms of 2. Okay, don't worry about the odd number or whether it is a even number. It's not a big issue. So first of all, just see which are all the next group it. It's like second group, third group, fourth, fifth one, sixth one, seventh group, eighth group, ninth group, and it's 10th. Okay, don't worry about last group. So the sequence before that itself, you will understand what is actually the sequence behind this. First one is AB, second group is CA. Write down the completed series. Fourth group is CA, second group is CA, fourth is CA. Next fifth one is AB. Again sixth one is not completed. Eighth one is CA, right? Again ninth one is not completed. Okay, fine. Just to see here, the letter which starts from A must be end by B, or letter which ends by B must be start by A. The letter which start by C must be end by A, or the letter which end by A must be start by C. Right? This is the sequence. Just search it. So when we see the third group, letter ends with B, then it must start by A. And when I see sixth group, letter which ends by A must be start by C. The letter which start by A must be end by B. The letter which start by A must be end by B, right? So the sequence is A B C A B C A B C A B C A B C, and so on, right? It is like ABC 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 ABC, and so on. Okay, so what is the answer then? Here it is A, here it is C, here it is B, here it is B. There is ACBB. Answer for this question is ACBB. Whether it is there in the group option? Yes, ACBB is the option C. Check it once. ACBB. I will move to next question. Let us solve this very simple question. A dash C, C dash B, again A B dash C, A B dash B, C dash A B, A B. So first thing is number it. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. When I get 20 when I get even numbers, I will make a group of 2 each. Okay, it helps me to solve it very simply. So which are the groups having continuous? I will number it. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Which are the groups which are already completed? The second group with CC, next fourth group with the AB, next sixth group with the AB, and ninth group with the AB, 10th group is also with the AB, right? So it indicates that when there is a letter which starts from A must be end by B, right? So, or when letter ends with B must be start by A. So this is A. These two are over. Again this is A, right? Here it is A. Finished. Next, when the letter ends by C must be start by C. Here C, here C. Question solved. Answer is B, A, C, A, C. Whether there is an option? Just check. The sequence is A, B, C, C, A, B, A, B, C, C, A, B, A, B, C, C, A, B, A, B, C, C. It's like A, B, C, C, A, B, A, B, C, C, A, B, A, B, C, C, A, B, A, B. It's like A, B, C, C, A, B, A, B, C, C, A, B, again A, B, C, C, A, B, and A, B, and so on. Okay. So option, the answer, it is the answer. What is the answer? Option, I think B, A, C, A, C. Option C is the right answer. B, A, C, A, C. Let us move to 18th question. Again I will write the question. Dash C, B, dash A, C, A, dash B, B, A, dash A, C, dash B, A, C, A, C. First step is just count the numbers along with blank areas. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Total is 20. So I will do groups of 10 groups, each 2. Total I will get 80. 10 groups I will do. So which, as the group number increases, the letter decrease, number letters in the each group decreases, which gives a clear idea of how the sequence is. Okay. 8th group, 9th group and 10th group. Okay. So the completed letters. Third one, it is AC. Next, 5th one, it is BB. Next, 6th, 7th one, it is AC. Next, 9th one, it is AC. 10th one is also it is AC. The thing which ends with the C must be start by A. Just take better. Or the thing which start by B must be end by B. By seeing 3 and 5th group, 3rd and 5th group, we can identify. So the group which start by B must be end by B. Okay. The group which ends by C must be by looking into 3rd group. When the group ends with C, must be start by A. So it is A. Answer is A here. Answer is B here. Next, when it start by A, when letter start by A, it must be end by C. So for 4th group, it is C. Again it is C. It is B. Finished. Here it is C. Here it is B. Answer is A, B, C, C, B. Answer for this question is A, B, C, C, B. Is there in this option? A, B, C, C, B. Yes, it is there in the group. Answer D. The option D. This is your right answer. We will move to next question. Let us solve the 19th question. It's given A, B, dash A, B, dash C, A, B, C, C, A, dash B, C, A, B, dash C. Total numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. So I will divide in 2 equal points. 2 equal series, 2 letters, total groups 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So first group you have is like AA. When you get this type of things, like let's say in the first group there is AA, in the 6th group it is 3CC, right? So in between there will be something called BB also. It's like AA, BB, CC, it's moving like this. Okay. And 3rd group it is AB, right? And 5th group it is also AB. 6th it is CC. Next 9th one it is AB. right? So letter which start from B, it must end with C, because when I consider eighth group, letter which start from B will end by C. So this one is C. Next, A, you can see here. Here it is AA. In the first group it is AA. After AA, B comes. Here only one A is here, right, in the third group. So when there is one A, after that B, right? So here in the fourth group you will get an answer B. Just see, it increases, like this one is AA, next comes BB, again it comes CC, again it changes with AA, BB, CC, like this it goes, right? So second option here, it is B. Next, third one is, again it comes in the order. When it ends as a CC, again it changes, like AA, BC, AB, BC, right? So it is A, it is B. So the order, sequential order is AA, BC, AB, BC, AB, CC, and this cycle again sequentially repeats, right? It repeats. So answer is D, option D. It is CB, A, B. We'll move to next question. It's the last question of this series. A dash C, A dash B, C dash B, C, C dash B, C, A. Okay. So total is again I will number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So I will make 3 of 5 groups or 5 of 3 groups. Anything is okay. So I will move with 3 of 5 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the letter which start from B must be end by A. Is there any letter? No. No. So A, start from A, again it just see, it's completely different, right? These are all completely different points. So it's like after A becomes B, C, A, B, B, C, next A, B, C, C, next it's like right, AB, CC, AB, AB, here it is B, B, C, next it comes A. It's like A, B, C, C, A, B, C, A, B, B, it is also B, B, C, next A, B, C, C, next comes again A, B, C, A, it repeats like A, B, C, A, B, B, C, A, B, C, C, again A, B, C, next in the sequential order it comes like A, B, B, C, again A, B, C, C. So it increases like A, B, C, A, B, B, C, A, B, C, C, again it repeats. That this 3 again repeats here. Okay, so answer for this question is B, B, A, A. Answer for this question is B, B, A, A. Whether there is in the option? Yes, it is option A. Option A is B, B, A, A. So this so if you try to solve these questions, it's more than sufficient to crack the to write the questions which are related to missing letters. So hope you it helps you guys a lot, and will come with some other letter problems or number series problems in upcoming videos. Please share, please subscribe, and utilize this to the most, and utilize this to crack the examinations. Thank you so much.